In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gift card in Squarespace. Whether you're a small business owner wanting to offer gift cards to your customers, or simply looking to expand your e-commerce offerings, creating a gift card in Squarespace is a fantastic way to start. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up. First things first, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your website. It's important to start from here because it ensures you're in the right spot to begin customizing and adding new features to your site. Once you're on your homepage, look for the Pages option. This is where you'll manage the structure and layout of your website, and crucially, it's where you can add new content like gift cards. Next, you'll want to click on the Pages section. This will bring up a new interface where all your current pages are displayed. Now, to add something new, look for the subtle plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to create new pages or features within your website. Once you click the plus icon, you'll see a menu pop up with various options for what you can add. Here, you'll want to specifically click on Gift Card. This will initiate the process of adding the gift card feature to your website. Now that the gift card page is opened, the first thing you should do is to type in a name for your gift card. Choose something descriptive and aligned with your brand, ensuring it resonates well with your customer base. Having a catchy and clear name can help make the gift card an attractive purchase. After naming your gift card, click on Add Images. Visuals play a crucial role in enhancing appeal. When you choose images, consider what will best represent your brand and what might be most enticing to a potential buyer. The right image can be the tipping point that convinces someone to make a gift card purchase. Once your image is in place, you'll need to set up your inventory. Although it might seem a little odd managing inventory for a digital product like a gift card, it's primarily about setting the available denominations or amounts that your customers can choose from. Ensure these options fit your typical transaction values to encourage sales. As you finish with inventory, it's essential to choose your selling tools. These tools help manage how you sell the gift cards. Think about payment methods and transaction processes. Picking the right selling tools will streamline your customers' buying experience. Finally, setting up your marketing strategy is crucial for promoting your newly created gift card feature. Utilize tools within Squarespace to spread the word, be it through email campaigns, social media integrations, or even on-site pop-ups. Having a solid marketing plan in place will ensure your gift cards reach their potential audience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and setting up a gift card in Squarespace. Remember, the key is to provide a seamless and attractive offering for your clients, enhancing both their experience and your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!